I love cooking Asian food, and today I'm whipping up this tasty mee goreng. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. I've grown up cooking and enjoying Asian food, and this recipe is one of my dad's who grew up in Singapore. We're going to start with a wok. Heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the wok until hot. Add 1 large or 2 small sliced shallots and fry for a few minutes until browned. Remove the cooked shallots from the wok with a slotted spoon and place on a couple of pieces of kitchen paper to absorb any excess oil. Turn down the heat to medium and then add in 5 sliced chestnut mushrooms and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until lightly browned. You can add in a splash of oil if the wok's starting to look dry. Add 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds, stirring often. Now we're going to add in half a white cabbage that's been thinly sliced and cook it for about 3 minutes until it's starting to soften. Now we're going to add 2 cooked chicken breasts that have been shredded. Next in goes 500 grams or about 17 ounces of cooked yellow egg noodles. Cook those for about 3 to 4 minutes, tossing everything together with a set of tongs until hot. Now we add a chopped bunch of spring onions or scallions and 150 grams or about 5 ounces of fresh bean sprouts. The sauce for this mee goreng is super easy. We just add all the ingredients in as we go. We're going to start with 4 tablespoons of kecap manis. Then we add 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Toss everything together and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the chicken and the noodles are coated in the sauce and hot throughout. Serve the mee goreng with wedges of hard-boiled egg, fresh coriander or cilantro, sliced chillies, some chilli flakes and slices of lime. We're going to finish off with some of those crispy shallots that we fried off earlier. And there we go, done! That's my spicy mee goreng, a fantastic Friday night dinner. Hope to see you next time for more delicious recipes.